Hello everyone, so I'm working on a ML430 Mercedes 2001. So I've been having an issue with a vacuum leak. So as you see, like I've been putting like zip ties like everywhere looking for the leak. So I tried every single hose, which like it's hard to find sometimes the leaks. So finally, like you guys see right here, this was the vacuum leak right here. So the guy who owned the car before, he tried to put tape on it. Can you imagine like putting tape on the Mercedes, tape on a vacuum hose? So that's something unacceptable. So let's try. I'm gonna go ahead. I just took, it's like easy, you can take off this part here. It just pops out here. You don't even have to touch your air filter or air mass flow filter. Whenever you touch these two things, it's better to clean this one and this one, not the filter but the lid on it on top. And I'm gonna try to use this hose again and try if it works, because I have my check engine light and a bunch of codes they were coming on. So I'm gonna try to clean here and to see what was the problem, and I'm gonna try to fix it. But if this won't work, so I have to go ahead and buy a new hose here, and it's gonna be a lot of job to do here. I have to take this one off and to put the hose on the, sorry about the camera, to put the hose on the back of the engine, to put again right here. So but hopefully this will work. And I see the valve cover gasket is chipped a little bit here, but yeah, let's see, hopefully it will work. So these kind of cars, they have a lot of issues after they pass like 100,000 K. But like you see, I just switched all the spark plugs on this side and this side, which it has two of each cylinder. So it's a lot of job too. So, but it might be this vacuum leak throwing me all of these codes inside. So which I'm gonna post the codes, whatever the codes it showed me. Well, I went up all the way to all two sensors, I switched them, I cleaned them, but I don't think that was the auto sensor. So as you know, like the auto sensor is one here, I don't know if you see it right there, and the other one is under the car, which not hard to replace, but a lot of money to buy. But well, let's see if this will work, and I'll keep you guys updated. Hopefully I helped a little bit somebody. So you just need to take it easy and to deal with it. Thank you.